Welcome back, guys, to part 2 of Pythagorean Theorem in 3D. More specifically, rectangular prisms. And today we're going to be doing more. So again, just as a review, a squared plus b squared plus c squared equals d squared. And so for our third example, 3 squared times 5 squared. 3 squared plus 5 squared plus 2.8 squared. We get 41.84. And so d squared equals 41.84. Square root, we want to square root both sides. So we get d equals, and so we get d equals 6.47. You can also write it as d equals the square root of 41.84. I prefer the more explicit answer rather than just the square root of an answer. And so for fourth example, let's assume I know I suck at drawing, but let's assume that this is a cube. Let's say it gives us the dimensions 4, 2, and x. And let's say it gives us the diagonal. It gives us the diagonal is equal to 6. And so with this knowledge, we can write 4 squared plus 2 squared plus x squared equals 6 squared. So in other words, 16 plus 4 plus x squared equals 36. And so 20 plus x squared equals 36. Subtract 20 on both sides. X squared is equal to 16. Square root both sides, and then we get x equals 4. Alright, let's do one more. Actually, 2 more. Alright. So let's say alright. Alright. And it gives us d equals 13. And then this dimension is 4, and then this is 3, and so x is going to be this. And so our equation is going to be 3 squared plus 4 squared plus x squared equals 13 squared. And so 9 plus 16 plus x squared equals 169. So 25 plus x squared equals 169. Subtract 25 on both sides. X squared equals 144. Square root both sides, and that leaves us with x equals 12. Alright, for our final example, let's do alright. To kind of review everything, to kind of cap everything, let's do the final example. 2 squared plus 4 squared plus 3.6 squared equals d squared. In other words, 4 plus 16 plus 12.96 equals d squared. If we add all of those up, that gives us 32.96 equals d squared. And then we square root both sides. And then we get d equals 5.74. Again, I am rounding to the hundredths place. If you are rounding to perhaps the thousandths place, you're going to get a different answer. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video of Pythagorean theorem in 3D, rectangular prisms. And if you have any video requests, leave them in the discussion section or the comment section, and I'll be happy to reply. Thank you.